All right, so I just received this OTOFIX vehicle repair tool in the mail. Let's see, case looks good. It's the OTOFIX D1 Lite. Let's get it turned on. So it's just telling us to connect to the internet. This is all that comes in the kit. So the main unit, the OBD2 plug-in, the charging cable, power adapter, the manual, and the case. So we'll put that off to the side. This is the charging port. USB charger. Device uses USB Type-C charging. And then over here, looks like we have another it's like some sort of Ethernet connector, USB Type-C with a USB connection as well. The connector, this is for the light. So very helpful when you're trying to get it connected. Turn on the light. That way, don't mess up any pins. Then, doesn't look like it has a power button, so I'm assuming this light turns on when you connect it. So we'll check it out in the vehicle, test it out. So just pretty responsive and quick. Tells us our battery over here. The time is off, so we'll have to correct that. Gives us all the options. We'll get connected to the internet in a little bit. Quality looks pretty good. Let's see. Turn this guy off so I don't press any buttons. And then here's all the ports. So it looks like one of them is for charging, one of it is for I believe data transfer, and then one of them is for the micro SD card. Closes up nice and snugly. Quality looks pretty good. It's got like this OtterBox case style to it. So let's get it hooked up to the car and check it out.